couldn't help myself from reviewing this movie, right? Doing a movie review after watching this particular movie, right? There are few reasons, and I will walk you through all of them. And if you want to jumpstart as to what my personal rating for this movie would be, it's a 3 out of 10. The question lies whether it delivers what it promises after such a wait. We waited more than 1 month to get a crystal clear copy. So all the while it was being made, it was rolling in cinemas. The IT team behind 𝐿𝐶𝐼𝐻, they did a marvelous good job. Not a single copy was made available on the internet. They wiped them all, right? Entirely. Only after the subsequent OTT, over the platform release, only we get to see WebDL, WebRip and all versions of the movie made digitally online available for us. And I will walk you through the technicality, how to get this movie, how to download it, and the format that you need to choose between when downloading for a better viewing experience. And next, the movie will contain multiple subtitles, how to select the one applicable for you. If there is no subtitle, how to get the correct subtitle, how to sync it, and then thereafter, if there is any audio issues, how to fix them, and we will finally get enlightened with the movie, right? So first things first, right? First things first, how to download the movie right now. That is an ethical question as well. So it's made available as a torrent file. You can download it, and since it is made extracted from over the platform, from streaming services, which the names which I need not to tell here. So you will find the movie in WebRip, WebDL formats. So between WebRip and WebDL means web download, you should definitely go with WebDL, which is it stands for web download, where the audio and video clarity is far more better and excellent compared to WebRip version of the same copy. And next, the movie you download will consist of multiple subtitles, and there you should go to subtitles and select the language that you are comfortable with, right? So unless you understand Hindi, definitely you might want a foreign language assistance in subtitles. And next, coming to talk about the viewing experience, the downloaded movie, right? As a moviegoer and a movie enthusiast, people like us, we don't like to watch the movie by all ourselves, especially movies of horror genre. So we would transfer it to a USB and plug it to the TV, where the whole family can enjoy eventually at night, because that's when the setting is right, the air, the vibe, the chills, everything should match with the suspense and the elements of a horror movie. So let's discuss. So the most prominent issue that you will find is when you try to play the movie, the video will play on TV. I'm not referring it on PC. The sorry, the video will play, but the audio, you will get a message, a prompt that the audio is not supported. The audio is not supported. There, in such cases, the fix will only take you like 5 to 10 seconds based on the performance of your computer. So let me pull up that app, infamous app. It's called 𝐴𝑉𝑑𝑚ux, right? The app is called 𝐴𝑉𝑑𝑚ux. All you have to do is drag and drop the video, and under the output section, right, change it to PCM, and hit this button, right, to save it. Hit this button to save it. And when you do that, what will happen is, when you do that, imagine the file size will significantly, tremendously increase. For instance, the size of the WebDL copy I have here is 1.68 GB, but after that audio fix, which took me only 10 seconds, the file size tremendously increased to 5 GB. So that is the capacity that your pen, 16 GB, 64 GB, 120 GB, whatever, the pen can handle the size. But when you plug it, still, while you have fixed the audio, while you have fixed the video, still you won't be able to play it on TV. Now there is another issue, that now the issue is with the pen. So you have to format the pen in NTFS file size. So get your USB stick, format it in NTFS, right. Thereafter it will play. And next, if you want to extract the subtitle file, because now when you fix the audio, the subtitle files attached to this WebDL copy or WebRip, they will go missing, right? They are there, but they will go missing. So what you have to do is, there's a small application that you can pull up. It is subtitle edit. It is subtitle edit. You can do the same thing what we did earlier, drag and drop the movie, and if there are multiple subtitles, you will have to select the language, whether it is Hindi, whether it's French, whether it's English, whether it's Russian, whether it's Chinese, right? Select the language of your preference, and then the third button from left, here's the save button. You can hit it and save the subtitle file externally. So this is how we extract a subtitle file from a movie, right? From a movie. So if you want to extract all the subtitle files, you can do it one by one at a time, right? So that's with the technicality with the movie.